LED eyelash. What is it? Hello everyone, welcome to Beautetips. My name is Edith. Now, in case you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a like if you like this video. Now, today I'm going to talk about what is LED eyelash. New technology can actually help your lashes actually last longer. The difference about this technology is if you think about nail polished as a term and gel. So before the nail polish, when you apply to your nail, it does fall and it does not last as long. And then when the new gel technology came in, everybody is just fancy about that because it lasts longer and you can make it wet or dry and it doesn't scrape up as easy. Now for the LED lash, basically it's the same thing. Using the LED eyelashes, you can actually wet your face right away even after doing this eyelash extension. And also, it lasts longer because it's not like a natural normal glue. It does have a little bit gel inside, so I think it helps the curing. It's going to be better. A lot of people would have one question: would this harm your eye? Now, actually, this technology, the Hollywood LED eyelash extension, it actually made in Japan. So they did actually do some QC test for this. This is actually LED light. It's not a UV light because UV light goes from 300 to 400 of the nanometer of the wavelength, and this one goes beyond the 400 nanometers wavelength. So it does not harm your eye, and you also have some protected tape and the protected tape for the eyes when you do this LED extension. So the whole procedure basically is very similar to normal eyelash extension, and I would do a little bit demonstrations here and then you can kind of see how it works. Now, the good thing about this LED eyelash extension is that actually, because nowadays it's very hot outside, so it's very humid. So every time when you do a new set of eyelash extension, when you get out of this humid temperature, the glue doesn't cure that well and it does fall, and it's easy to loosen the bond between the lash glue and your eyelash. But with this LED glue, it actually stays longer, it holds, it bonds better, and you just don't have to worry so much about the temperature, the humidity that affects the bonding of the eyelash and the glue. And actually it lasts, they have done a test and said they actually last 1.5 times longer than normal eyelash extension. So this is very good about this. And of course, if you're going to use this, you are going to both ways. Number one, as eyelash technician, you can make a bit more money because you can sell this treatment a little bit higher price than the normal eyelash extension. And actually for the consumer part, you can also have this eyelash extension done and actually last longer than your normal, so it also saves money for your pockets. So I think it's also good for both ways, and it's a very new technology, and I think everyone should have a little look in it as well. And the other good thing about this eyelash extension is that because normal eyelash extension, the glue are so tacky, and actually they have quite adhesive and they have a very volatile smell and maybe stimulations. For this LED glue, you cannot say that it actually have zero kind of stinging or anything, but actually compared to normal glue, it's so comfortable. Your eye's not going to get tears. It felt like more comfortable for the whole procedure. If you live in Hong Kong, of course, that would be great. You can also come and visit me and then you can try out. But if let's say you live in elsewhere and you want to bring this technology back to your hometown, and let's say you're also already a lash technician, I can also teach you through the Zoom, and then you can click underneath the link there and then you can message me and then we can contact from there. So actually, so for today, this is my little introduction to you. So if you guys do like my video, remember to give me a thumbs up, like, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye.